Demand and supply function are the fundamental concept that governs the dynamic of a market economy. This function describes how the quantity, demand, and supply of a good or service vary in response to changes in factors like price, income, and compensation. Introductions to demand and supply. Demand refers to the quantity of a good or service that consumers are willing and able to purchase at various prices during a given time period. Supply represents the quantity of a goods or service that producers are willing and able to offer for sale at various prices during a given time period. Equilibrium. The equilibrium price and quantity are determined by the intersections of the demand and supply curves, where the quantity demand equals the quantity supply. Factor affecting demand. 1. Price. The price of the good is the primary determinant of demand, with a higher price leading to a lower quantity demand. 2. Income. Changes in consumer income affect the demand for a good, with normal goods seeing increased demand as income rises. 3. Consumer preferences. Shift in consumer tastes and preferences can lead to change in the demand for a product for prices of related goods. The demand for a good can be affected by the prices of subsidized goods, or which raises demand, or complementary goods which increase demand. Law of demand. Inverse relationships. The law of demand states that all else equal, the quantity demand of a good will decrease as the price of the good increases and vice versa. Exceptions. There are some exceptions to the law of demand, such as given goods and fabulous goods, where demand increases as price increases. Elasticity. The responsiveness of quantity demand to change in price is measured by the price elasticity of demand, which can vary depending on the good. Reasons. The law of demand is based on the principle of diminishing marginal utility and the income effect of a price change. The demand curve and its properties. 1. Downward sloping. The demand curve slopes downward from left to right, reflecting the inverse relationship between price and quantity demand. 2. Convexity. The demand curve is typically convex to the origin, reflecting the diminishing marginal utility of additional units of the goods. 3. Shift. The demand curve can shift in response to change in factor others than price, such as income, preference, or price of related goods. Factor affecting supply. Cost of production. The cost of labor, raw materials, and other inputs used in productions are key determinants of supply. Technology advancement. advancements in technology can increase the productivity of producers, leading to an increase in supply, number of products, and increase in the number of firms in the market will result in an increase in the total supply of the good. Government policies government policies such as tax subsidies or regulations can also affect the supply of a good. The law of supplies. 1. Positive relationships. The law of supply states that all else equal, the quantity supplied of goods will increase as the price of the good increases and vice versa. 2 reasons. Producers are willing to supply more of a good at higher prices because it becomes more profitable for them to do so. 3. Elasticity. The responsiveness of quantity supplied to changes in price is measured by the price elasticity of supply, which can vary depending on the good.